is from Chris Matthews. What is it like to date a very attractive woman? I've never dated a model and wonder what are the pros and cons. Okay, I also responded to this, but I think I just want to kind of just give you a quick minute on this. What's it like to date a very attractive woman? It's a headache. It's my short answer. It's an absolute headache. My girlfriends have always been 8 out of 10s in my opinions. And I have dated a few girls that were 9s. I never give 10s out. I don't think 10s exist. I don't even know celebrities that I would give a 10 to. So 10 is unrealistic in my mind. I have dated 9s, and they were a nightmare. They were just obsessed with their looks all day long, and obsessed. Oh, do I look good today? Oh, how should I wear this dress? And I don't think this dress looks good. I'm like, babe, we're late. We're late to the fucking dinner, and you've tried 4 dresses on. Hurry up, just put whatever on. I don't give a shit. So imagine how unattractive she started looking to me at that point. After she'd tried on 4 dresses and we're now 40 minutes late, she's looking hella unattractive to me because she's doing my head in and I'm super annoyed. So what's it like to date an attractive woman? They're high maintenance, and all the cliches, they are absolutely true. Most celebrities, most athletes that you see that will date extremely attractive model type women, they're going to be given a headache by these girls. They're going to be high maintenance. Now, if you have that level of status, then you could sort of be like, you could dismiss her because she knows you've got a shitload of options. But if you are either an average dude or a dude with just like above average salary and slightly above average looks, and you've got a super attractive girl, then she's going to realize that that she is one of your best options. So she's going to give you a hard time, and she's going to take you for a real ride. So I wouldn't recommend that you date too high upwards in the scale. Like if you're a 6 out of 10, it's kind of unlikely you're going to get a 9 out of 10. But the idea is that I'm going to show you how to get a 9 out of 10, because when I was a 6, I'd get the 8s and the 9s, but it was quite hard to maintain them, and it was quite hard to hold on to them. And they were always completely image obsessed. And also, looks fade, and after you sleep with them over a few weeks, eventually you're like, yeah, all right, this one I've got in the bag now. Like, yeah, she's hot, I've slept with her, whatever, done.